In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a web widget for a website using Quickwork chat. It's easy, and within a few minutes, we will be able to create a web widget. First, let's go to Tools and click on Conversations Management. Here, we need to create an inbox where we will receive all messages. It's just like a mailing address where you receive all your physical letters. So now let's click on Settings. Then go to Inbox Settings and click on Add New Inbox. As we are creating a messenger for a website, select Website as Channel. Now add widget name, website domain, and choose or enter the color as per our website. Now let's click on Continue. Here we have to pick an agent. Now, agent is like a chat representative who can chat with our website visitors. So we can choose multiple agents, but timing, let's just choose one. Then let's click on Continue. Now we are done with setting up our inbox. Now it's time to set up this web widget on our website. For this, copy this messenger script and paste it into our website head tag. Now once you're done with it, click on Publish. Once published, we will see a web widget. So let's just type in the message and go to Home page. As you can see, a new message has been received. So to reply back, now agent needs to type in reply message and then send it. The respective web visitor will receive this as reply within an instant. If we want to change anything related to our web widget, then you have to go back to the settings, choose Write Inbox, add or edit necessary information, and click on Save. In this way, using Quickwork Chat, you can create a website widget easily within few steps. To know more and to get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.